Okay, guys, if you are finding it difficult to expand a particular image and that you want to use on your graphics flyer for clients and all that, as a graphic designer or editor or a content creator, you are finding it difficult to enlarge a particular picture, something like this that a client sent to me for me to use on a flyer. So how can you do that? Let me go straight to the system and show you how I was able to achieve that and expand the picture of Canva. It's very easy, and you don't need to bother your client again to send you another picture, and peradventure they will tell you they don't have any other one. So what you need to do is to go onto your Canva, log into your Canva, and let me show you how it's done. Yeah, okay, guys, this is Canva, and you will need a pro you need a pro Canva account for you to be able to use this feature. So here is the um, picture that my client sent to me for me to use, and as you can see, it has one shoulder showing and the other one not showing. So this is how I was able to resolve it, because I actually need the two shoulder to to use on the flyer. So, and this is how I was able to achieve that. I'll show you that now on Canva. So log into your Canva. If you don't have Canva account, you can sign up to Canva and get the proof account. So create a new design. Click Instagram post. Just click on anyone, but I prefer Instagram post for now because this is just a sample um, video. Click Instagram post. Then what you will do next is to import the picture into Canva. To import the picture is very easy. Just click on upload, then click on upload file and select the picture from your wherever it is on your system. So I've already uploaded the picture on my Canva, so as you can see, this is it. Now what I need to do is simple to use the new features on Canva, which is click on edit photo. So as you can see, this is the features we need. Magic expand. So there are also other features that is available on Canva, like background remover, image, magic eraser, grab text, magic grab, and magic edit. But today I'm only focusing on magic expand for us to fix the missing parts on this image. So click on magic expand, then select all page, then magic expand. So what this feature will do is it's an AI that will help us fix the missing part on this image. So when that is done, you will be given a 4 image for you to select and use. Now we have 4 results here already, as you can see. So wow, I'll be going with this one particularly because it's showing the shoulder very well. So select done. Now it's left for me to edit it the way I want. What I will do next is crop the image. Since I don't need the background, I just need the full the missing parts to be complete. Crop crop. So expand, then edit photo, and background remover. So as you can see here, we have the missing. Then you can fix it to any parts you need it on that image. So see the before, this is the before and this is the after. As you can see, we have fixed the missing parts. See the before and this is the after. So you can see it's cool, and this is how to fix the missing part on an image. So you can download this on Canva and use it on Figma, Photoshop, and whatever design tools you also want to use it on, or wherever you are designing your flyer or whatever. I hope this video is very useful to you, and if it is, kindly subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends and your colleagues. Thank you, and see you in the next video.